Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Sabzian. Today we are going to see how we can turn an image in Photoshop to collage. First of all, it's good that you can go to Unsplash.com and you can write here, for example, model face. And you can go through these pictures and choose and download it and bring it in Photoshop. I have chosen one photo from my site and now I'm going to work on it. First of all, it's good to crop it because I want to work on the specific part of the face. So it's good. Now we are going to make one guide here. New guide. As you can see here, we are having orientation of guide that which now is vertical. The position I'm going to write 33% and hit OK. Again, we have to repeat this to complete the text. Here again 66% and hit OK. Again we are going to guide, new guide. And this time we are going to horizontal guide here. Again 33% means 33% of these photos. 33, and after that we have to calculate these 33, again 33 here, which can come to 66. %, and now we can see it. So now I'm going to view to check out whether my selection will snap to the guide which I made here. As you can see here is I have checked it. So we are going to marquee tools, a little bit zoom here. I'm going from here to here. It will automatically snap to the guide because of guide which we have made it. Then we are going to layer, new, and here we are going layer via copy, or very simply we can hit the Ctrl J. Here is a shortcut. It's very good to learn it because it can give a speed to your work. I'm hitting OK here. As you can see here, one layer made it for me. Again, we have to go through each and every this section which we have made, and for making selection, just remember you have to come back to this layer, because this layer just we have this part, the rest of the part is empty. So for selecting, we have to come back to our background. As you can see again here, you can go to layer again, new, layer via copy, or simply you can hit the Ctrl J to make another copy for you. The rest of the selection I'm going to speed it up because I don't want to make this video so long. After selecting each and every this part, I'm going to bring some style to make some stroke around the parts to make it obvious. So double click on this layer to call it, and here we are going to stroke. As you can see, open it. It should go inside, and I am changing it to white, but making this a little bit with the help of arrow key smaller. I think 2 or 3 is okay. And now as you can see here, we have a copy style here. I'm not going through all these layers to make it. So I'm clicking on this layer, opening this window, and going to find copy style. Copy layer style, as you can see, is here. Click on it, and I'm going to select the rest of the layers. This here I selected. I'm coming to this layer down and holding down Shift key here. Again, I'm opening this and I'm going to paste, as you can see, paste layer style to make this stroke for each and every of these layers. As you can see, they are applied here. As you can see, we have made the stroke around each and every of this layer, but we need some background, then we can see the collage better. For this matter, I am going to choose here, as you can see, crop tool. But before that, I am going to change the color of this from the background, I think. I'm going to hold down Alt key from the center to make it bigger, and Enter key or this check should be. Then this part, I'm going to hold it up or down a little bit with the help of transform control key. I can rotate it a little bit. Hit OK. For this also, control key is a transform with the arrow key up and down. Again, this one, control key. The rest also you are going to do the same, so I'm going to speed it up a little bit. After adjusting the position of the layer, is up to you which kind of position you want to give them. First of all, I'm going to hide the guides here. As you can see here, show guide or guide here, or you can use this control semicolon that it can remove the guide from our image. So I'm going to give a little bit shadow to it, or if you want, you can give another solid color here for background. If you don't like it, it's the way that you can choose this solid color here. And you can choose from your face, your hair, or your background. Is up to you. I think it could be better, or maybe a little bit darker. You can give it. Then I'm going to give a little bit shadow to it. And if you want, you can also increase the size of a stroke by selecting one, and then you can again to copy all of them. For giving the drop shadow to this, first of all, I have to select all layer because I'm not going to do the separately for the layer. You have to choose all the layer with the help of Shift key. Then you can go to layer here, and you are going to group them. As you can see here, group layer, or simply you can hit Ctrl J for grouping all the layer here. Here, as you can see, is the selections. So, dialog box, or you can go, if not from here, you can double click here to bring the layer style here. As you can see, drop shadow, I'm choosing it and opening it. I don't want to be white. I'm going to make it dark here a little. Yes. The color is okay, but the angle and distance, I'm not going to choose from here, there. I'm going here, simply I'm changing the direction. As you can see, I should take it out a little bit. From here, if you choose the angle from this side, you can see you don't have so much control on it. But you can go and take something from here. As you can see, is here, which direction you want, how it should be. For me, I think it's good. Here with size, distance, as you can increase it, you can see how they are going far from the background, how it should be spread, big or smaller, and the size, how it should be blur. Distance a little bit smaller. Then hit OK. If you didn't like it, again, you can open from here. This dialog box will come and you can make your changes. And again, you can hit the OK here. So as you can see, we could achieve this kind of effect. This technique is very useful when you want to make some photo in your design, in magazine design or in website or wherever you think that this kind of effect can be useful. So I wish that you learn this technique and you are going to use it in your project. If you found this tutorial useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be informed about new upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in next time. Bye.